Say cheese.
What are you doing, buddy? Good morning. We're getting ready to go get some hay. We're going to make a trip to Birch Tree. Meeting a friend up there. What are we doing tonight?
Well, we're going to have a fish fry over to, I think, at the shop or in the house.
Yeah.
Down the hill where we live.
Yep. We're going to fry up some fish, fill our bellies plumb full, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Come along with us. Hey, what's going on? You gonna take a big trailer, or how many bells you planning on getting? I know, that's just a farmer thing. They're all a little weird. They all got their own carts. Alright, sounds good. Alright, so we're on the road, headed that way. Got Jake, my boy Noah, and we picked up a stranger. This is Kyla, it's my sister-in-law. And you can see her back there. My wife's behind us back there. Taking two vehicles to go get hay, why not? She's got her other sister in there and road trip. There's the other sister.
Oh, we've not been doing videos.
Oh.
Sorry.
You gotta say hi, you gotta say it loud though.
Hi. Loud and proud.
Give me a start, though. Looking for right here. No, we didn't for. Taking a nap? Nope. Okay, so we got the hay loaded. We're headed out. We lost her sister, my wife's sister. She had to go into work.
Oh, she got a monster.
Yeah. Anyhow, so now we got to get her and take her to work because she has to work tonight, right? Mm-hmm. So you're not going to get to go fish fry. Oh well, bye. Okay, so we got Kyla dropped off, and Amanda's sister Kendra had to work too. Amanda actually, there's like 5 sisters. I want to get them all in a film at some point because they are really comical when they're all together. But neither one of them is going to get to come to the fish fry tonight, so that's sad. But we're back at the farm. We're backing in here and get the hay in the barn and get started on this fish fry before it gets any later. This is our little load of straight Bermuda hay. This is just strictly for the horses. Special hay. We're done. We got all the chores done for the day. We're ready to go fry some fish. You guys ready to fry some fish?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. If we can get out of here, because this is some thick mud. Maybe fun. You guys better hold on.
Fish! Hold on! Fish! 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 Hold on!
Okay, we're in the garage. We got the getting the stuff together and get ready to fry some fish. What are you mixing up there?
That's your mom's hush puppy mix. Famous hush puppy mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, cornmeal and corn and green peppers, jalapenos, onions,
And delicious.
and salt.
All right, let's see if the grease is hot.
Well, that's what we're getting ready to find out if it's hot enough.
Not quite yet.
And this right here is just a melon baller, but it works great to make just the right size hush puppies.
What we doing?
Getting ready to fix the fish up with some cornmeal and drop it in and see how it cooks. See if the grease is hot enough.
What kind of fish is that?
Catfish, channel cat.
That's catfish?
Supposed to be.
Wait. Give me a... Will you slow down for just a second? Oh, my goodness.
Fish fries.
I'm trying to make a film here.
You can't go slow fish fries.
Ah, there we go.
Not quite hot
That
enough.
grease ain't hot enough either.
Nope, not yet.
Man. Yeah, no, they need to see it again. Here's my gorgeous daughter that I haven't seen all day. What are you working on?
My fursona.
Your fursona?
Mm-hmm.
Say it again.
Fursona.
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 Yes.
Fursona. Say that 10 times fast.
Fursona, 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 fursona.
That was a good job. Surprised. Let's take a look at it. Bam.
I haven't finished it yet.
Look at my eyes. She's so pretty.
We didn't think you get no ketchup.
No ketchup? How you supposed to eat fish without ketchup?
Noah.
Ketchup is an American staple. Right. Almost done cooking. Ready to start uncovering. What we got over here, Dad?
Coleslaw? Gotta have coleslaw. Taters and onions and biscuits, fried biscuits and apple butter.
Yeah.
Hush puppies.
Yeah, baby.
Fish, corn dogs for the kids.
Yeah, because we got some that, for some reason, don't like fish. Who doesn't like fish? Dadgum Nazis.
Okay.
No, Dumbos.
Alright.
Hey, guys. What time is it?
It's time
It's time to eat.
Dave was trying to figure out how to get on the YouTube to.
I got you a plate. Hey, can you say thank you? You're welcome.
Choose on socks and cars. Little tires.
Fish
Little
wants it.
rubber tires on. Hey, Magpie. Maggie.
Hey, cowboy.
Say, she's been outside.
I don't bend that hat.
Look here.
Give me a smile.
Bone. Look at his bone. You want that?
So, we've had a big day today. You guys have a good time?
Yeah. Yes.
These guys, they worked hard, and then we filled our belly plumb full. And now we're ready to go lay down and get some rest. Got a big day tomorrow, too. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit that bell. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
See you next time.